Presenting Noise ColorFit Pro 2 Full Touch Control Smartwatch in the color teal green. The smartwatch comes in 7 color variants of cherry red, deep wine, jet black, mist grey, onyx black, royal blue and teal green, and 2 style variants of ColorFit Pro 2 and ColorFit Pro 2 Oxy. This smartwatch features an IPS LCD full-touch color display which supports tap and swipe functionality. There is a strong polycarbonate case that makes the smartwatch feather-light on your wrist so that you can wear it for hours comfortably. This smartwatch has a display size of 1.3 inch. The smartwatch comes with an IP68 waterproof rating which protects it from any water damage. Noise ColorFit Pro 2 smartwatch features a lithium polymer cell that can provide up to 240 hours of battery life. The smartwatch connects to your smartphone via Bluetooth. It is compatible with all Android and iOS smartphones. This Noise smartwatch comes with 24/7 heart rate monitoring. The smartwatch comes with 9 sports modes to help you track different daily activities and also helps with sleep monitoring. This smartwatch has a breath mode to help you control your breathing patterns. This Noise smartwatch offers phone features such as calls notifications, music control, Find My Device and weather forecast. With this Noise smartwatch, you can track various activities including walking, spinning, cycling, running, climbing, biking, hiking, workout and other exercises. The smartwatch helps to count steps and